I really want to motivate all of you guys to step it up when it comes to your 360 booth presentation. One of the best compliments that I get on a weekly basis, and I never get tired of hearing this, is we've seen a 360 booth before, but not like this. So when you guys include the fog machines and LED lights, RGB lights, for example, this 360 vibe sign alone, neon sign, really stands out at all of my events, which is why I have to continue getting them, because I have to duplicate my setup, guys. All right. So this 360 vibe sign, you can have it connected to your talent cell or anchor. Like I have it connected to an anchor right now. It has 10 levels of brightness. In this little clip right here, you guys are about to see me connected to the talent cell. You can use the 9-volt or 12-volt, and you can do the switch here, and you can toggle, see how bright you want it for your specific needs. It's a really nice size 360 vibe neon sign. It's about 27 inches in length, and so it's compact, and if you want to buy it, it'll be available on my shop.